What's good, guys? Today we ended up closing out our SMCI position. You can see here for a $6,282 short. So this is the third and final short that I will probably take on SMCI. We're going to go over that in a moment, but we're going to go over in this video why I ended up going short on this, why I ended up closing it when I did. And the thing I want you guys to follow along with is that we've called every single one of these SMCI shorts out here on X and YouTube completely for free. If you go to our blog, THT Community, and you go to the analysis and blog section, all of those trades have also been for free within our blog, and I will be updating that today as well. But we're going to go over the actual trade, and we're going to go over why I closed it out this morning at near perfect time, which I don't ever do. I always sell shit way too early. But you guys can see here, started the position back on 3/5, which was about 6 days ago, because today's the 11th. Started going short here with 50 shares. We added 25 short and then another 25 short, giving us an average around, I think it was like 1094 or 1097. And then we ended up taking that profit this morning at 9:59 a.m. So let's go and look at what was happening at 9:59 a.m. And I posted it right here. I said profit taking now a little bit early at 10:36. I will short SMCI again if we test 1160. So the reason that we were taking the profit here, we're going to go to the 1 hour chart, and the only indicator that we're really going to use at this point, I'm going to turn my market bias off, is going to be our smart money concepts. And so we're going to go through, and I'm actually going to hit the replay button so that you can see what was happening here at the time. And I'm going to go through and show you what my thought process was, because I think that's the most important aspect here. So you guys can see that we end up having this big drop. We open around 1099. Now at this point, I said that I was going to hold on to this trade as long as we did not close on a daily candle above 1175, which we did not do. We closed below that on Friday. So we see this sell-off and we see this bullish order block sitting right here. So I know short term we're going to bounce here for sure at 980. There's a very high chance. So I know that the low of day and really where I want to be going short, or where I want to cover my short, unless I'm planning to hold at least for a couple of weeks, is going to be down at 980 bucks. So as we start to see this thing sell off, I decided to close this out first thing in the morning, right around, what was that, like 9:49? Yeah, 9:59. Because even though there's the chance that we can sell into the block, what is that, 1.87%? So I'm up $6,500. I could make $7,500, or I could just give my profits back. And I decided, whatever, I'm going to close it out. We end up getting this bounce. And the other thing to note here too is if I move in here on a 15-minute chart, I hope it's going to show us, but we had a fair value gap, or a price gap sitting here as well. So we're expecting that there's a very high chance that we're going to push back up to 1160. And so my plan here is hoping to see SMCI push tomorrow back up to 1140. You see I have my alert sitting right here for SMCI, and my hope is that we'll get another push to 1140. I will get to short it once again, and then hopefully we can get the bigger move down. Now if we go to the daily chart, you know, I was hoping that I could short this down to about 950, but the truth is every single time we pull back to market bias, we bounce. So for me, I'm not going to go try shorting this again until we get strong confirmation. In total, I have closed out close to about $30,000 in profits on SMCI in just the past couple of weeks. I don't have to force anything, right? I trade mainly with the trend. If you guys are a part of our Discord and you get access to all of our bots, you know we mainly trade with the trend every single day. I'm not focusing on going against the trend most of the times, unless it's something like this. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you ended up trading this. If you want to trade with me every day and get access to all of our trades, go check out the second link in the description, or just go to thtcommunity.com and you can go to the plans and pricing. Thank you guys for all the support, and I'll see you next time. Peace.